Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson and I am doing this video for a solution. If you are facing hard times, and a simple way out is to make gift baskets. That's right. And then you go to the corner and you sell your gift baskets. Now, I just wanted to show you what you can do if you're like, man, I ain't got that type of I ain't got money to be spending. I gotta pay these bills. You gotta remember what I said in my other video. You just gotta rock by faith. Take a couple of dollars. The money that you put in, you will get back when you sell your gifts. Now, you do not need much money, I promise you, because there's a way that you can shop. Remember, I told you, check out Birthing Bosses with Felicia. There's a way that you can shop for just a couple of dollars, you guys, and stock up on the stuff that you need for your gift baskets. Easter is coming up, so you might want to start preparing for Easter. And she also talks about making gift baskets, Easter baskets for adults. So this is a perfect solution. You can find stuff for Easter baskets for adults. I just want to give you a quick example. This right here, original price was $5. I got this for 50 cents. Do you see what I'm saying? So I am going to show you some items and the prices and where I got them, just to give you an idea. You want to be on the lookout for people, penny shoppers that be on YouTube. They'll give you items that will be for a penny. So yeah, with that being said, let's get it. Hey you guys, I just want to very quickly talk to you for a minute before I show you the items and the price. Now, gift sets were on sale at Dollar General, okay? However, if you are lucky, if you are in one of them areas and the shelves are stocked, man, you are blessed. Do you hear me? Because you might run into a problem where you go into the store and they don't have crap. I'm gonna keep it real with you, but I'm here to tell you just to do the best that you can. Make sure you search and look, okay? Because that's what I had to do. Just search and look. You want to look under the bottom shelves, behind stuff, because I believe that they be hiding stuff. So look behind shelves and look for stuff if you are in one of them areas that, you know, just don't have nothing. All right. Now, I just want to tell you, don't give up. Don't be like, oh man, I can't find. Just go in the store and just look around like I can't. No, you have to look. You have to search behind stuff. Okay? Don't give up and just do the best that you can. Okay? Now, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and show you the items that you can get for dirt cheap to stock up on your items for your gift baskets. All right? So, let's see what we got.